My name is Sal Contreras, and I'm a paintless dent repair technician for the last 30 years. And I specialize in these smashes. This particular one is a Toyota Prius made out of HSS metal. Check it out. Today I'm working on a Toyota Prius door. Got it all set up, and I got to do this front nose. I put some leather there so when I heat it up I won't damage it. Good about this one is that you could get a lot of leverage off of because the brace is welded there. So it's like a double plate underneath you while you're pushing on this. So I like it. I took it on because I'm crazy. But I feel like a lot of this, once it's straight, it's going to pull a lot of this up, and this crease won't be as bad as it is right now. At least that's my theory. We'll see how it goes. Okay, just going to do a light lift. Make sure I don't lift it up too much. Definitely, I'm going to say I underestimated this crease. Even though it was fat, I didn't realize it was going to have so many layers. There's two parallels right there. So that's what's keeping it down, and you can't push into that until you relieve that. Finally got this edge starting to flatten out. Man, this is really a deep crease. All right, going to be putting this door back on this Toyota Prius. Let's take a look at it first out in some good lighting. Told the customer it was going to be a wave at the very front where this damage was really bad. Get a look at it right there. That's as good as I can get that. To get that front nose was really tough. Back here, this long crease, this had a lot of width to it, which made it really difficult. Had different layers in there, and then the back edge, that was really tough to get that super nice because that was hit hard, really hard. But this is HSS, high strength steel, and even on a Toyota Prius, came out really nice. I had thought it would. It just takes experience to read these hits, and this particular one was a good one for Paintless Dent Repair.